ang alabas.
Wala natin ang panginginig. Lang kamay.
Red ball. Umikot na ang araw.
Tuga! 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 Tuga!
Reyes. Reyes, tumira sa 3. Jersey number 21, Reyes. Opening 3 points. Apulong. Pass to Ramos. Ramos. Steal by Reyes, number 30. Pass to Reyes, number 21. Reyes, pass to number 30. Reyes. Good for 2 by jersey number 30. Reyes.
Nag-practice ano?
Ramos, dribble the ball. Pass to Apulong, number 24. Pass to Benedicto, number 11. Back to Ramos. Pass to Apulong. Apulong. No good. Rebound by Rospe. Rospe. Dribble the ball. Rospe. Steal by Apulong. Apulong, number 24. Nagpapadali. Apulong. Slashing on the middle. Pass to Cruz. Back to Apulong. Apulong. No good again. Rebound by Apulong. Good for 2 by jersey number 24. Apulong. Reyes. Dribble the ball. Reyes, crossover. Block by Cruz. Rebound by Benedicto. Pass to Cruz. Pass to Apulong. Apulong slashing on the middle. Good for 2 by jersey number 24. Apulong. Rosbe. Rosbe. Pass to Maliwat, number 24. Maliwat. Pass to Reyes sa gitna. Good for 2 by Reyes, number 30. Apulong, pass to Benedicto.
Pasok mo cellphone sa bag.
Benedicto. Pass to Ramos. Pass to Cruz. Pass to Benedicto. Pass to Lopez sa ilalim. Lopez, no good. Rebound by Capulong. Capulong. Pass to Benedicto. 4 seconds shot clock. 24 seconds shot clock violation.
Error.
Reyes. Pass to Wilson. Out of bounds. Big ball. Ramos. Pass to Benedicto. Ramos again. Perimeter shot. Good for 2 by jersey number 23, Ramos. Reyes. Dribble the ball. Reyes. Pass to Maliwat, number 24. Tumira sa 3. No good. Rebound by Benedicto, number 11. Pass to Ramos. Ramos. Ramos, dribble the ball. Ramos. Pass to Apulong. Apulong. Good for 2 by jersey number 24. Apulong. Change favor na po tayo. Reyes. Pass to Grospe. Grospe. Pass to Maliwat. Maliwat. Spin move. Maliwat. Good for 2 by Maliwat, number 24. Hinalo ang uri. Ramos. Pass to Lopez. Lopez tumira sa 3. No good. Rebound by Reyes. Reyes. Nagmamadali. Pass to Grospe. Grospe, number 28. Pass to Reyes. Still back. Good for 2 by jersey number 30. Gamit na gamit ah. Open shot by jersey number 24. Capulong. Good for 2. Maliwat. Pass to Reyes. Reyes number 21. Pass to Wilson number 2. Wilson number 2 making his move. Dinumot sa ilalim. Huli ka boy. Shake. Same ball. 12 second shot clock. Maliwat. Pass to Grospe sa labas. Grospe. 10-second shot clock. Maliwat. Fake, Maliwat. Good for 2 by jersey number 24, Maliwat. Ramos. Pass to Benedicto. Benedicto number 11. Pass to Ramos. Pass to Capulong number 24. Pass to Cruz. Tumira sa 3. No good. 3 by Benedicto. Benedicto. No good. Red ball.
Ano yung sige na yaw?
Reyes, number 21, dribble the ball. Pass to Grospe. Grospe, tumira sa 3. No good. Rebound by Benedicto, number 11. Capulong. Capulong is slashing on the middle.
Foul.
No good. Houston ref. Jersey number 2, Houston. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shot for Mr. Capulong, number 24.
Red. Ganda. Ba.
Good for 1 by Mr. Capulong. Rospe. Pass to Reyes. Reyes. Reyes, perimeter shot. Good for 2 by jersey number 21, Reyes. Ramos. Dribble the ball. Ramos. Tumira sa 3. Ramos. 3 points.
Ulit ka dyan.
Sana lang po ang lamang ng Team Red. Maliwat. Tusubok niya sa 3. Maliwat. No good. Red ball. Big ball. Ramos. Pass to Benedicto. Benedicto. Drop to Capulong. Capulong sa ilalim. Good for 2 by jersey number 24, Capulong. Reyes. Dribble the ball. Reyes. Nagmamadali. Reyes is slashing on the middle. Nice to Ramos. Ramos. Nilipad. Huli ka boy. Foul. Wakali sa wakali. Nagkana. Jersey number 28. Rospe, first personal foul, second team foul. 2 shot for Mr. Ramos, jersey number 23. Subrep. Benedicto number 11 out, Garang number 20 coming in.
Toto ka ba?
Pag-nasip.
Pag nag-dito na tignan ko.
Complete. Maliwat out, Bulura number 0 coming in. Reyes. Reyes, dribble the ball. Pass to Buson. Buson, sasagasa, side step. Good for 2 by jersey number 2, Buson. Ramos, dribble the ball. Ramos. Pass to Cruz. Cruz. No good. Rebound by Capulong. Capulong. No good again. Rebound by Cruz. Pass to Lopez. Lopez. Good for 2 by Lopez. Number 8. Reyes. Pass to Grospe. Steal by Capulong. Pass to Ramos. Ramos nagmamadali. Lilipad. Ramos. Good for 2 by Ramos. Pinali-bali.
Nananayo pa no?
Reyes, haras by Capulong. Reyes. Reyes. Walang pinasan. Out of bounds. Big ball.
Ano ba yung sasigo niya? Sugat ba yan? Ano yan?
Ramos, dribble the ball.
Pasok.
Pass to Cruz. Pass to Lopez sa ilalim. Lopez, 8. Good for 2 by Lopez, number 8. Reserve timeout, Team Red.
Pot. Pot.
Reyes, pass to Reyes. Reyes. Pass to Reyes, number 21. Reyes, perimeter shot. Pinasa sa ilalim kay Reyes. No good. Rebound by Reyes again. Reyes, number 30. No good again. Rebound by Lopez. Ramos. Pass to Capulong. No good. Rebound by Capulong. Pass to Galang. Galang. Pass to Cruz. Back to Capulong. Capulong pass to Ramos. Ramos. Drive. No good. Rebound by Buluran. Buluran. Pass to Grospe. Grospe nagpapadali. Pass to Reyes. No good. Rebound by Grospe. Grospe susubok sa 3. No good. Rebound by out of bounds. Big ball. Time out. Lopez. Pass to Piel. Piel. Dribble the ball. Pass to Ibanez, number 4. Back to Lopez. Lopez susubok sa 3. No good. Rebound by Buluran. Pass to Reyes. 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 Right. No good. Rebound by Lopez. Lopez back in the back. Piel. Piel. Pass to Ibanez. Ibanez, number 4. Pass to Piel. Piel. Piel, number 5. 3 points. Mukhang maganda gising ah. Puro gising na lang ha. Wala nang tulog ah. Rospe, number 20. Dribble the ball. Pass to Reyes. Back to Grospe. Grospe, susubok din. No good. Rebound by Ibanez. Ayan, Ibanez, nagmamadali. Ibanez, steal by Reyes. Reyes, pass to Reyes. Pass to Grospe. Grospe, nilipad. No good. Rebound by Buluran. Big ball. Last touch by Big. Last 52 seconds.
Sino? Ano? Bawal lang.
Reyes sa gitna. Binale. Reyes. No good. Rebound by Lopez. Pass to Ibanez. Capulong. Capulong. Side step. Who's on left? Jersey number 21. Reyes. First personal foul. Third team foul. Lopez out. Galang out. Benedicto and Arenas coming in.
Oy. Lay.
Good for 1 by Mr. Capulong. Last 40 seconds. Reyes, pinasa ilalim kay Reyes. Pass to Grospe. Grospe, no good. Rebound by Reyes. By Grospe again. No good again. Rebound by Wilson. 8 seconds shot clock. Piel. Double dribble by Piel. Number 5. Oh.
Sayang.
Last 18 seconds. Reyes. Grospe, fake. Last 10 seconds. Grospe, binale. No good. Dribble by Reyes. Good for 2 by Reyes. Number 30. Last 4 seconds. Last 2 seconds. Lopez, pass to Ramos, number 83. Ramos, pass to Benedicto, pass to Lopez, no good. Rebound by Lopez again. Cruz. No good. Piba by Maliwat, number 24. Maliwat, pass to Grospe. Grospe, all alone. Good for 2 by jersey number 28. Grospe. Ramos, dribble the ball. Ramos. Ramos. Pass to Benedicto. Pass to Merigo. Merigo. Same ball.
Eyo.
5-second shot clock.
Laptop.
No good. Maliwat. Pass to Reyes. Reyes, pass to Grospe. Grospe, good for 2. Lumalapit na sila. 5 na lang po ang kalamangan ng pin. Ayan na ang finals. Ramos. Pass to Benedicto. Benedicto, pass to Lopez sa ilalim. Lopez. Pass to Cruz. Cruz, pass to Ramos. 1 open 3. No good. Rebound by Maliwat. Pass to Reyes. 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 Sagisa. Good for 2 by Reyes. Number 21. Reserve timeout. 3. Benedicto. Benedicto. Crossover. Pass to Lopez sa ilalim. Lopez. 6-second shot clock. Ramos. Pass to Cruz. Cruz. No good. Rebound by sino bang lalambing? Reyes. Pass to Grospe. Grospe. Tumubok sa 3. Wala pa rin.
Uy, basa.
Bola, bola, bola. Nabasa ang bola. Palitan nyo. Palitan nyo ng mall 12.
Iya.
Baka iuwi ng batay bola, eh. Ramos. Ramos, pass to Lopez. Back to Ramos. Ramos, pass to Benedicto. Benedicto. Good for 2 by Benedicto, jersey number 11. Reyes. Reyes, slicing on the middle. No good, rebound by Maliwat. Good for 2 by jersey number 24, Maliwat. Ramos. Pass to Cruz. Pass to Apulong. Apulong. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 2, Wilson. Second personal foul. First team foul. Benedicto. Red ball. Shout out sa iyo, Stupid Club by Confial Dental. Reyes. Tumira sa 3. No good. Out of bounds. Big ball. Official score 27-30. 3 points lead by Big. Apulong. Tusubok sa 3. Out of bounds. Red ball. Reyes making his move. Reyes. Pass to Grospe. Grospe, pass to Maliwat. Maliwat. No good. Rebound by Maliwat. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz. Nagmamadali. Pinasa kay Ramos. 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 3 points. Reyes. Reyes. Reyes, dribble the ball. Pink ball, tumama sa binte. Ramos. Traveling violation by Ramos. Good D. Maliwat. Pass to Grospe. Grospe.
Titira yan.
Grospe. 8-second shot clock. 5-second shot clock. Maliwat. Long three. Lalo. Ramos, pass to Apulong. Apulong, back to Ramos. Pass to Cruz. Pass to Lopez sa ilalim, Lopez. Good for two by Lopez, number 8. 5 ulit. Reyes, looking for his teammate. Pass to Houston, perimeter shot. Good for two by jersey number 2, Houston. Ramos, dribble the ball. Ramos, pass to Capullo, side step, no good, rebound by Reyes, 2 versus 1, Grospe, pass to Manliwat, good for 2 by Manliwat. Isa na lang po ang labang ng Team Pink. Ramos, pass to Capullo, pass to Cruz, 1-3. No good, rebound by Benedicto, pass to Ramos, pass to Capullo, teardrop, no good, rebound by Lopez, no good, rebound by Maliwat, pass to Grospe, Wakali, Grospe, Ginito, Grospe, pass to Maliwat, 10-second shot clock. Kapos. Maliwat, number 10 out. Houston out. Benedicto out. Maliwat out. Ventura kagigit.
Uy. Ano ba?
Grospe. Rebound. 10-second shot clock. Grospe. Pass to Reyes. 5-second shot clock. Reyes. Perimeter shot. No good. Rebound by Cruz. Pass to Ibanez. Pass to Ramos. Pass to Cruz. 1-3. Cruz. Number 15. 3 points. Reyes. Big man point guard. Pass to Reyes sa atake. Binasa kay
Ole.
Black City.
Doon na.
Reyes. Pass to Grospe. Pass to Reyes, number 21. 8-second shot clock. Grospe, no good. Rebound by Lopez. Pass to Ramos. Nagmamadali, fake. Pass to Ibanez. Pass to Cruz, back to Ramos. Tumira sa 3. No good.
Ayaw.
Out of bounds, red ball. Wala. Iba ako eh. Rest. Dribble the ball. Sinidribble ang bola. Silva Capullo. Pass to Ramos. All alone. Easy basket by Ramos. Time of card. Ventura pass to Buluran. Steal by Ramos again. Ramos. Nagpapadali. Wakali. Check. Ibanez. No good. Kung pankapso yun, pasok lahat yun. Grospe. Paso Ventura. Tumira sa gitna. Apos. Lopez, pass to Ibanez. Parang hindi pa ka nag-capsule ah. Cruz, sumira sa 3. Yon, Pares. Kumover di ba ako ng ping niya? Reyes, pass to Reyes, number 1. Pinasa ilalim ni Buluran, easy basket by jersey number 0, Buluran. Lumilipad yung bata ngayon, no? Parang may pakpak sa batok eh. Again, sininto ang bola. Pass to Ibanez, number 4. Pass to Gay, pass to Ibanez, pass to Cruz, pass to Ibanez. Ibanez, sumagasa. Inilayang sa kalaban. Rospe, pass to Reyes. Easy basket by jersey number 1, Reyes. Reserve timeout, Pink. Dalawa na lang po ang kalangangan ng Team Pink. Kapulong. Pass to Lopez, Silva Luzon. Reyes. Nagpamadali. Reyes, pass to Buluran, nilipag, side step. Pinasa, hindi alam kung kanino. Kapulong. Drop pass to Lopez, no good. Rebound again, susubok sa 3. No good. Rebound by Rospe, pass to Reyes, nawala ang bola. Reyes, ginamitan ng gulang. Good for 2 by jersey number 21. Ginamitan ng gulang. Lopez, tumira sa gilid. No good. Rebound by Reyes. Denta na po tayo. Denta ha. Wilson. 11 seconds. Ginamitan na naman ang gulang ni Coach Reyes. Good for Ramos. 3 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 0. First personal foul. 1.5 liters empty ang natitira. Ganda naman ang pasa, bukas na. Reyes. Pass to Rospe, puputok na kaya. No good pa rin. Rebound by Maniwat, pass to Rospe. Pass to Reyes, fake. Reyes, pumasok sa ilalim. Drop pass to Wilson, Girayo. No good. Save ball, big ball. Uy, yun yung papapasa.
Ayan. Oib na to.
Ramos. Dribble the ball. Pass to Lopez. Pass to Benedicto. Back to Ramos. 8 shot clock. Apollo is slicing on the middle. No good. Rebound by Maniwat. Pass to Reyes. Nagpamadali. Reyes to be bad. Good for 2 by jersey number 21. Reyes. Ramos naman. Pass to Cruz. Back to Ramos. Pass to Benedicto. Kapulong. 1-3. Kapulong. 3-point. Change favor naman po tayo. Lamang ng isa ang TP. Reyes. Number 30. Good for 2. Parang parasig na inalis ah. Change favor na naman, ganda ng laban, palitan lang. Ramos, pass to Benedicto, pass to Lopez sa ilalim. Lopez, harassed by Houston, back to Benedicto, 10 seconds shot clock. Benedicto, pass to Apulong, pass to Lopez, 1-3. Lopez, 3 points. Diba? Nagpapalitan na sila. Reyes, dribble the ball. Reyes, fake, pass to Maniwat, gumulas ang bola, still by Kapulong. Jersey number 10. Maliwat out. Jersey number 10, Maliwat, first personal foul. First team foul.
Makakadaldak yan. Makakadaldak yan. Makakadaldak yan. Ang dami yun eh. Lumong daw.
Cruz. Ramos, pinasa sa ilalim. Good for 2 by jersey number 8, Lopez. Open na open. Dino ng mata.
Pero di kahit tumaldak.
Reyes, pass to Fuson. Fuson. Ginasa, no good. 3 by Cruz. Yun. Nakakita ka na ha. Jersey number 15, Cruz. Nanayanin ko sa ilalim. First personal foul. Wilson. Wilson, 10-second shot clock. Reyes, 5-second shot clock. Reyes, pass to out of bounds. Pink ball. Ano ba nangyari? Good for 2 by Capulong, number 24. Grospe, dribble the ball. Grospe, susubok na naman. Yun, paputok din. Grospe, 3 points. Nabutas na ang alulod. Grospe. Benedicto. Pass to Lopez sa ilalim. Pass to Cruz. Steal by Reyes. Reyes, dribble the ball. Pass to Maliwat, number 24. Maliwat, tinipad, dinali-bali. No good, dribble by Cruz. Pass to Ramos. Ramos. Open by Lopez. Good for 2. 49-54. 5-point leads by PP. Grospe. Pass to Reyes. Reyes. 10-second shot clock. Reyes, number 30, drive. No good. Rebound by Capulong. Capulong. 2 versus 1. Capulong and Ramos. Back to back. Back. Good for 2 by Ramos. Reserve timeout. Team Red. 49-56. Grospe, pass to Reyes. Reyes, sliding in the middle. Drive. Good for 2 by jersey number 21, Reyes. Oh. Technical foul by jersey number 21, Reyes. Magagawa. Referee's decision po. Paano ba? One shot sa aboy possession? One shot? One shot po tayo, one shot. Saan? Rule for 1, may Capulong.
Banyo na.
Anin po ang kalamangan na pink. Lopez, pass to Cruz. Cruz, tumira sa 3. No good. Rebound by Maliwat, number 24. Maliwat, pass to Grospe. Grospe, tumugol sa 3. No good. Rebound by Fuson. Pinausaw, wala pa rin. Rebound by Ramos, pass to Capulong. Who's called red? Jersey number 0, Buluran. Our foul. 2 shot. Jersey number 0, Buluran. Second personal foul. Third team foul. No good again. Maliwan. Pass to Reyes. Pass to Grospe. Grospe, sasagasa, Nilibal. Grospe, Wakali. Good for 2. Ramos. Pass to Benedicto. Pass to Lopez. Open nga naman si Mr. Lopez. Good for 2 by Lopez. Anim, ang naman. Maliwan, fake, Maliwan, try, dinali na naman. No good. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz. Red ball. Grospe. No good. Rebound by Capulong. Capulong standing on the middle. Good for 2 by Capulong. Number 24. Reyes, drive. Good for 2 by jersey number 21, Reyes. Anim ulit. Ramos. Pass to Lopez. Lopez, subira sa 3. No good. Rebound by Benedicto. Pass to Cruz. Cruz fake. Sabit.
Ay, gagi.
Jersey number 2. Ang foul. Jersey number 2, Wilson, third personal foul. Sabrek. Capulong, number 24, out.
Lopez.
2 shot para kay Mr. Cruz.
Uy.
Good for 1 by Cruz. Sino? Buluran out. Reyes, number 30 coming in. 2 out of 2 by Mr. Cruz. Reyes, pass to Grospe. Grospe again, air ball. Rebound by Cruz. Pass to Ramos, susubok sa 3. Ramos, 3 points. Palayo na po ng palayo. 11 na po ang lamang ng Team Pink. Reyes, crossover. Reyes, back shot, good for 2 by Reyes, number 21.
Mainit pare, mainit. Testing lang.
Ramos, pass to Benedicto. Benedicto, open. No good. Rebound by Wilson. Pass to Maliwan, pass to Grospe. Wakali, Grospe. Tinutungod, no good. Rebound by Maliwan. Good for 2 by Maliwan, number 24. Ramos, pass to Benedicto. Pass to Cruz. Pass to Ramos. Pass to Jen. Pense Yata. Ramos drive. Pense Yata. Good for 2 by Lopez, number 8. Buenas. Reyes. Susubok sumagasa. Reyes. Jersey number 8, Lopez. Jersey number 8, Lopez, first personal foul. Sa pulay ang unang tira ni Mr. Reyes. Rebound by Reyes, spin. Sub. Benedicto out, Capulong number 24 coming in. Red ball. 11-second shot clock. Grospe. Susubok. Pass to Maliwan. 6-second shot clock. Reyes, no good. Rebound by Cruz. Ramos. Ramos, pass to Capulo. Reyes. Pass to Grospe. Grospe. Silva Capulo. Piel, nagmamadali si Piel. Haras pa yung maliwat, pass to Lopez. Cruz, wild open 3. Cruz, number 15. 3 points. May kasama pang smile para kay Mr. Cruz. Maliwat, pass to Reyes. Pass to Reyes, number 30. Pass to Grospe. 10 seconds shot clock. Reyes, Baglat, pass to Maliwat, Tilumot, no good. Follow up by Maliwat again, good for 2 by jersey number 24, Maliwat. Last 33 seconds. Ramos. Kailangan pass, jersey number 8, Lopez, good for 2. 10 seconds. Wilson, 5 seconds. Wilson foul left. Jersey number 8, Lopez, second personal foul. 2 shot para kay Mr. Wilson. Three seconds. 1 second. Binig tayo.
Di kasi ako na-focus dito. Na-focus.
Benedicto. Naghanap na babasahan. Pinasa kay Ramos. Ramos, pass to Benedicto. Wide open shot. Benedicto. Good for 2. Good connection for TP. Reyes. Drop pass to Bulura. Fake. Yun lang.
Hindi ko na ganon.
Who's the left?
Mata ko lang na ganon.
Jersey number 24, Capulo. First personal foul.
May video naman doon eh.
First team foul.
Wala, bulak.
Reyes. Reyes, stop and pop. Good for 2 by jersey number 21, Reyes. Ramos. Ramos. Pass to Capulong. Pass to Lopez. Pass to Benedicto. Benedicto. Nilimbingin pa ni Benedicto. Good for 2 by Benedicto. May kasama pang smile. Alam mo si Abdul Jabbar. Pass to Reyes. Follow up by Buluran. Good for 2 by Buluran. Gumana ang mama. Ramos. Ramos. Pass to Cruz. Back to Ramos. Pass to Benedicto. Benedicto, nagkaroon ng papasahan. Pinasa kay Cruz sa gilid. Cruz, fake. 2 seconds. Still by Wilson. Buluran. Dumulas. Foul down the floor by jersey number 15, Cruz. Jersey number 15, Cruz. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Crosby. Crosby. Double, 3 foul by Benedicto. Barado ang bonus ng rin. Ramos. Ramos, dribble the ball. Pass to Apulong. Apulong. Tasagasa. Apulong. Good for 2 by jersey number 24. Kapulong. Rest. Still by Kapulong. Apulong. Apulong again. Pass to Benedicto sa gilid. Tablay. Rebound by Reyes. Pass to Grospe. Grospe. No good. Rebound by Cruz.
Sibor.
Buluran. Trap pass to Wilson. Good for 2 by Wilson. Official score 67-82. Mahaba ba yan, ha? Pitong minuto pa, ha? Benedicto. Pinasa sa ilalim. Bukas na naman ang ilalim. Ganda ng connection ng pink doon, ha?
Isa na pink. Makanin yung atin eh.
Reserve, timeout, team red. Reyes, pass to Grospe, susubok ulit. Grospe, 3 points.
14 na lang.
Ramos. Apollo, pass to Ramos. Ramos, susubok ulit sa 3. Rebound by Wilson. Reyes, number 21. Drive, pass to Buluran. Buluran. Good for 2 by Buluran. Cruz. Mainit si Cruz, no?
Si Epip, damo. Epip.
Reyes. Reyes. Second back. Good for 2 by Reyes, number 21. Mahabol na. Galang. Back to Ramos. Ramos. Sensei shot na. Ramos. Sabi pa. No good. Rebound by Lopez. Lopez. Gagawa. Pass to Kapulong. 8-second shot na. Ramos. Susubok. Ramos. Perimeter shot. No good. Rebound by Guzon. Steal by Cruz. Cruz. Block by Guzon. Reyes. 5 minutes na lang po. Grospe. 3 points. Yan na, nag-iinit na. 10 na lang po ang lamang ng pink. Reserve timeout pink. Steal by Maliwat. Pass to Grospe. Grospe. Pass to Maliwat. Nilipad. No good. Nakakuha ni Kapulong. Kapulong. Pass to Ramos. Pass to Cruz. Cruz again. Tasagasa. Pass to Galang.
Jake Nonet.
Nasundot po Wilson ang bola. Ay, Maliwat pala. Sorry. Lopez. Pass to Ramos. Binali-bali. No good. Pilipa by Maliwat. Maliwat. Pass to Reyes. Reyes. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 11. Ay, 2. Oh, jersey number 11. Jersey number 11, Benedicto. First personal foul. Ang titipid niya sa foul. Barado talaga yun. Good for 1 by Reyes, number 21. Kapulong. Last 4 minutes. Benedicto, open. No good. Rebound by who's Conrad? Jersey number 11. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Team Pink. Warning for penalty. Siyam lang po ang labang. Masyadong malakas. Big ball. Ipasa may hipak dyan, oh. Ramos. Pass to Kapulong. Kapulong, dribble the ball. Pass to Lopez, pass to Cruz, susubok ulit. No good. Rebound by Wilson. Pass break to Reyes. Reyes. Same ball.
Tama na. Sige na.
Steal by Benedicto. Kapulong. Lopez, dribble the ball. Jersey number 28. Second personal foul, Grospe. Pumaul din. Ramos, making his move. Ramos, pass to Cruz. Pass to Benedicto. 5 seconds shot clock. Benedicto. No good. Rebound by Maliwan. Pass break by Reyes. Reyes, easy layup. Good for 2 by Reyes. Ito na lang po ang lamang ng Pink. Mahaba pa po ang oras. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Ramos, dribble the ball. Ramos, pass to Benedicto again. Benedicto, drop pass to Lopez. Kapulong, wide open 3. Kapulong, 3 points. Mainit na mainit si Mr. Kapulong. Reyes, pass to Grospe, babawi. Wala, rebound by Benedicto. Kapulong ulit. No good. Rebound by Cruz. No good again. Tap to Kapulong. Oh. Not count. 28. Jersey number 2. Lopez, inbound the ball. Pass to Ramos. Walang pinasahan. And now entering for our last 2 minutes. Benedicto, pass to Ramos. Ramos, Silva, Binale. Ganda naman, nauubo ba sa ere? Parang tumatay sa sabanan. West, pass to Maliwan. Good for 2 by Maliwan. Eh po, technical kita dyan. Tumayo ka dyan. Ramos. Pass to Lopez. Susubok sa 3. Pinasa kay Cruz. No good. Red ball. Sige na. West. Pass to Rest. Wala pa din. Iba by Wilson. Good for 2 by Wilson.
Hindi nga nag-goal si Jumo.
Malapit na. To the doors, kaya asan. 10-second shot na. Benedicto, pass to Lopez, 5-second shot na. Kapulong, big. Good for 2 by Kapulong. Number 24. Reserve timeout, Team Pink. Rest. 3 points. Benedicto, number 11. Jersey number 21. Reyes, third personal foul. Benedicto. Jersey number 28, Grospe, fourth personal foul, warning foul, jersey number 28, Grospe, and warning for penalty, red team. Both teams under penalty. Dalawa na rin yun. Jersey number 30, Reyes, penalty rep. Reyes, first personal foul. Napakatipid mo ha. Isa lang yun. Good for 1 by Ramos.
Papalaro niyo ba si...
Eh po, titikinan kita. Sa kabila ka na.
Bit lang naman yun eh. No?
No good. Last 80 seconds. Shot clock off na po tayo. Grospe, pass sumaliwat, susubok sa 3. No good. Rebound by Reyes. Good for 2 by Reyes. Last 3 seconds.
Tira, tira!